online na lang para convenience sa ating mga taxpayer para hindi tayo lalabas ng ating opisina para anytime, anywhere, makapagbayad tayo online na. Basta may internet connection tayo. Using your debit card or credit card, we will teach how to pay online sa ating separate na video. So if you want to learn more kung paano mag-fill out ng iba't ibang tax returns, pwede naman. Meron tayong separate na RWB book, yung how to file and pay your own tax return. Nandun po yung ating discussion kung paano mag-fill out ng iba't ibang tax return, 2551Q, 1701Q, 8%, 40%, itemized deduction, 1601EQ, 0619E, monthly, quarterly, and annual tax return, nandun lahat. Meron tayong exclusive ATC video doon na magpapaliwanag step by step ng ating discussion sa ating RWB book. Okay? Visit nyo lang po yung ating website, atcbebe.com, to order your RWB book. And if you want to learn more details about our RWB book, mag-message lang po kayo sa ating Facebook page, Accounting Tutorial Center, and follow nyo na rin po for helpful details or helpful information natin. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. So step number 1, download and install the ABIR Forms package. Step number 2, fill out the tax return na ipafile mo. Step number 3, validate and submit. As simple as that. Okay? Kaya nga lang, ang filing dapat ng tax return natin ay within deadline to avoid the violation and the penalty for late filing ng ating tax return.